Going for pasukan next week. Marami tayo, more or less, ang bilang natin 27 million ang papasok na bata, papasok sa eskwela. So we have a look. Maganda naman, siyempre the teachers are always there to help. Nandiyan ang mga parents, nagtutulungan talaga sila. Marami tayo, we hired 20,000 new teachers. So that we have more teachers and also so we can reduce the load on teachers sa mga administrative duties. So yung mga sa inspection namin, yung mga, alam niyo ba yung ibang nakita namin na school building, Marcos type school building pa. Ang Marcos type school building was supposed to be replaced between 20 and 30 years. Ang life niyan is 20 to 30 years. Pero ayan, at least mabuti na lang at nagagamit pa. But really have to look at the rehabilitation of many of them. One of the things that I noticed are the bathrooms. Kailangan natin linisin at pagandahin ng mga bathroom. Hindi naman mahirap gawin yun, except ang problema, sa mga pinuntahan naming eskwela, walang tubig. Kaya yun ang titignan namin na mabuti kung saan dapat manggaling yung tubig, bakit walang tubig at nagbabayad naman sila para sa kanilang water supply. So for me, basic yan kasi pati yung health ng bata natatamaan na magkakasakit yan kung hindi malinis ang mga pinupuntahan nila mga bathroom. Kaya kawawa naman. So that's one of the areas that we are really going to focus on, just on the health and safety of the kids. Of course, that's the most basic and most important thing that we have to do. All right, but otherwise, I'm very happy that we are doing a better job, I think, in preparing for the school year, and everybody has already been enrolled into this effort. Hindi lamang ang DepEd, kundi lahat ng mga iba't ibang department. We are all on board here to do and supply and provide whatever it is that our school children need, and that's why we are here today. So that's it. Thank you. Maraming salamat.